Yeah, hi everyone. So maybe we can start. We already waited for 4 minutes, so let's we can start on this. So first of all, I just would like to share my screen. I think I already shared my screen, so I'm just sharing my PPT now. I'm using the PPT. Um, so to make sure that I will be on appropriate and on track. Okay. So just let me confirm. Are you able to see my screen or maybe a PPT? Okay, I can see also. You can also see. Okay, so first of all, thank you for joining this particular program. Okay, actually, here in this program, I'll make sure that I'll try to give the whole aspects of this internship program that I did from last 6 to 7 years in various locations. Specifically, started from the Aurangabad Sambhajinagar. Okay, but now I'm doing in two different cities, Pune and Sambhajinagar, Aurangabad. Okay, so this is the program for 2024, and this time I have introduced many stuffs, or maybe many internship programs. So, thank you to join first of all. Okay, and I'll just go through with the presentation. And if you have any queries or concern, please raise your hand, or please put down or add into the chat. Okay, so I can go for it. Just for the Khan sir, if the question is answered, Khan sir, could you raise down your hand? Is it possible? So I can. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Okay, so yeah, basically internship is the biggest thing. I'll go with like for audience, I'll just go with Hindi and English. Okay, so सबको सारी चीजें आसानी से समझ में आए. Okay, I'll try to use in Marathi because Marathi also is my mother tongue. Uh, so basically every final year there people are looking for the internship, right? And that's why you also came here to look for the internship and all those stuff. Okay, but there are many things that people don't aware about those. लाइक इंटर्नशिप में जब भी कोई सोचते हैं तो करंट टेक्नोलॉजी क्या है, मार्केट में क्या चालू है, उनको पता नहीं रहता. जो भी कॉलेज में हुआ है या नॉर्मली जो जो लोगों ने सुना है दूसरे फ्रेंड्स या सीनियर से, they are looking for only those technologies, but there are so many technologies in market right now. Okay, जिसमें आप प्रॉपरली इंटर्नशिप या ट्रेनिंग करके इजीली से जॉब भी अर्न कर सकते हो. Okay, so that exactly I wanted to share with you. My motto is not to join the internship with me only, but to understand the market scenario or how we can find out the internship in other places or which technology you can choose. Okay, as per your requirement. बहुत लोगों को पता होता है कि मुझे हमें कोडिंग नहीं पॉसिबल है या नहीं, बहुत डिफिकल्ट जाता है. सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट ओनली कोड. आई एम मेनली फोकसिंग ऑन नो कोड प्लेटफॉर्म्स हियर टुडे. वहाँ पे आप नो कोड प्लेटफॉर्म में रह के भी विदाउट राइटिंग अ सिंगल लाइन ऑफ कोड यू कैन क्रिएट मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट, एंड्रॉइड एप्स एंड एनीथिंग. Okay, and there are so many platforms that I'm going to introduce over here. Okay, so I'll just go with the internship program, or just try to complete the slides. For sure I'll not take much more than 20 minutes. Okay, for here. So this is the agenda for this particular program, or rather we can say session. So we'll start with why. Okay, maybe you already heard this particular sentence, start with why, from Simon Sinek. He is a good author and book. He has a good book with this name. So I'll definitely start with the why, then who we are. I just wanted to talk about me myself. Okay, I can see I didn't switch on my camera, so I'll just do it now so you can see me well. Then I'll just talk about LB group and internship. What are our programs for internship? Like there are so many technologies you can learn, but with the LB we have only focus on different particular technologies because our client are working on that. So we'll just focus on our programs that we are going to do. Then definitely we'll go with the bonuses, like what exactly additional things that you can do with us. Then I'll talk about next step of action, and if any concern and queries, we'll definitely talk about those concerns and queries. Okay, so I'll just move next. Basically, we'll definitely start with why. So you came here, आपने सारे सेशन ज्वाइन किया बहुत लोगों ने. So definitely आपका सबका why clear है somehow. Okay, so basically आपका main why clear है कि you wanted to really have a पहला वाय आपका ये है कि ये कॉलेज के सिलेबस में दैट यू हैव टू डू इट, विदाउट दैट आपको डिग्री नहीं मिलेगा. दैट वाई इज आल्सो क्लियर. ओके, मतलब ये तो सबको पता ही है कि विदाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टेप, ओके, यू कांट कंप्लीट योर ग्रेजुएशन और मे बी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई यू आर हियर. this is the first why already clear. But there another why also you can think about, और आपने बहुत लोगों ने सोचा होगा कि आपको basically hands on experience चाहिए, because normally in college life mainly you talk about discuss about theory and all those stuff, because हमारा curriculum और syllabus ही ऐसा design है that you have to go more theory rather than less practicals. ओके देन मे बी आपको स्किल डेवलप करना है, आपको नेटवर्किंग करना है टू गेट अ गुड जॉब, ओके इंडस्ट्री एक्सपोजर आपको चाहिए, दैट इज द वन ऑफ द मेन रीजन, मेन व्हाई ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर इंटर्नशिप. सो आपको एक एक्सपोजर चाहिए, देन यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द करियर पाथ ऑल्सो. राइट नाउ यू आर, आई नो दैट लाइक बिकॉज आई एम ऑन द सेम पर्टिकुलर पेज फ्यू years बिफोर. अभी पता ही नहीं क्या करना है, कोडिंग करना है, टेस्टिंग में जाना है, डेटा साइंस के बारे में बहुत सुन रहे हैं, एआई के बारे में बहुत सुन रहे हैं. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई वांट टू डू, ये पता ही नहीं है. ओके जॉब प्लेसमेंट असेसमेंट, अब जॉब जॉब कैसे मिलेगा, क्या क्या होगा इंटर्नशिप के बाद. ओके देन जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि इंटर्नशिप में होता क्या है, कंपनी कल्चर कैसा है. ओके प्रोजेक्ट एक्चुअली क्या रहता है. प्रोजेक्ट इज नॉट लाइक कॉपी पेस्टेड दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल now and me, like even if myself also I do the same, my first project is always copy pasted from others. Okay but what is the exact project, कैसा project किया जाता है, and end of the day doing all those particular stuff. Okay you have to build the confidence to face others, like whenever you talk about interviews, when you talk about any project, when you talk about in a particular industry, IT industry. So you have to that much of confidence that you can easily face to each and every people. Okay in your in your next career cycle. So basically ये भाई सबका हमारा यहाँ पे clear है, and that's why we are doing this stuff, right? uh, so I'll just go with the next slide. Okay so what is our why and how and what, like why we are doing this, and basically what is the purpose to do this particular stuff. So LBE is actually a sister company of Mytech Solutions. Okay mainly in this particular LBE stands for learn by example. So I'll just put down the small words for LBE. This sentence learn by examples really motivate me a lot, because like I learn whatever the stuff from only from the example. So that's why this called LBE. So our motto is really important, and what you can say cleared, that why we really wanted to do this, because we already came with particular the same phase. Okay I am also belongs to Aurangabad Sambhajinagar, and like I also came from the university. I also completed MC, and I also struggle a lot about how to get internship and all those stuff. Okay even if like 10 years before it's the same procedure. Okay now it's little easy, but that time is quite difficult. Okay so I really wanted to give this particular internship program really like execute in proper way, with energy, with good engineering, okay enthusiastic way, and our people are there, especially there for like you to give this kind of all exposure, how to do it, what to do it, what exactly need to do it, and how you excel definitely in your career. So that is the basic why, how, and what we have already clear. So that's why we're able to clear for you. Okay so that was basic agenda or basic value for like LBE, I can say. I'll just give a very short introduction of mine. Already somehow I discussed, but I just want introduction of mine, what exactly I'm doing, because you're listening me, आप मुझे सुन रहे हो, और whether I'm really मैं उस लायक हूँ क्या नहीं इंटर्नशिप देने के लिए, that I wanted to tell you like why exactly I'm here and why I'm doing also. Okay so actually my native is from Ramnagar, Sambhajinagar. Okay I currently am in Baner, Pune from last 5 years. I started my professionalism career from SSI Computer. Maybe anyone of know, this is Old Computer Institute. I started as office boy there, and like end up with the partner. Then I joined Skoda, MAN, Capgemini, and currently I'm in Millennium right now as a delivery manager. So I'm doing the whole business, IT business specifically. Okay, sourcing business, getting people from this project to that project, hired like bulk of people and all those stuff. So those kind of delivery manager activity I'm doing for APAC region. APAC means Asia Pacific region. It's not only for India but all whole Asia region. Currently, my total experience around 12 years, and yeah, I'm passionate about the teaching. That's why I'm also doing this extra activity through the LBE group. Okay, so they give me a chance to do this kind of a batch for internship for every year. Okay, basically, I'm also consultant for many different brands like Mytech Solutions, LBE group that I just told you, yeah, Nice and Infotech, World of Cakes, Sampurna Premix, and maybe Hotel Kulwant. Maybe if someone from Aurangabad, the Hotel Kulwant is there. So okay, I also part of the particular hotel as a partner. I have on-site exposure with Germany, Denmark, specifically in European countries and South Asia. I am certified, SharePoint certified, I'm Microsoft 365 certified, Microsoft Trainer certified, Google Workspace. Recently, I done the Google Workspace administration. Okay, and I follow the ITL practice. Maybe this word somehow you don't know what is the ITL and all those stuff, but whenever you get to know about the internship, when you join any kind of project, आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये चीजें क्यों important होती है. Okay, definitely I'm here because I'm passionate about the teaching. Okay, my pastime also, I'm a social teacher. मैं बहुत सारे colleges में जाके in even if in Sambhajanagar Aurangabad, I went to many colleges and give the sessions and attend some perform some workshop also. I'm doing the same thing in Pune right now. My next workshop in Pune in the Diva Patil College for the app sheet. Yeah, and yeah, really fond of the Atomic Habit. This is a really good book that definitely I'll recommend you to किसी भी वर्जन में हो, मराठी, हिंदी और इंग्लिश, definitely go and read these books. Definitely change your prospect on this. Okay, I'll talk about LB group. So LB group is actually training, and like we normally perform the corporate trainings. I am the lead of corporate training here. Okay, and additionally also I'm doing this particular internship activity. Okay, specifically we as a team, we do some workshops, all online, all on offline workshop. Visit a company and give some kind of workshop as particular technology, and also we do the one-on-one consultancy. Like we have some clients, so we support some consultancy, we share some people, we train some people and then after share with them. Okay, so uh, again I'll just go with the very short word about maybe I already told about this, but I'll just add some more stuff here regarding to the core values, that is proactive and be proactive and be ahead. सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कोई चीज़ करने करने के लिए वी हैव टू बी रियली बी प्रोएक्टिव होना चाहिए रादर देन एक्टिव. एक्टिव, प्रोएक्टिव और रिएक्टिव, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. ओके, whenever you have time, just check out that difference, so you'll find out difference between proactive, active and reactive. So I'll just follow the term called proactive. कुछ चीज़ें एक्टिवली अगर हम पहले से ही करते हैं तो इट ऑलवेज वी हम मार्केट के या किसी भी लोगों के पहले अहेड हो जाते हैं. ओके, this whole internship also involved it'll give you a proper app and everything. Okay, so you have every recordings there, every task there, everything is going to be task based. Okay, there is no any spoon feeding. I'll repeat the stuff here. Okay, whole internship don't have any kind of spoon feeding stuff. Okay, we'll give you all proper possible materials. Okay, but no spoon feeding. Okay, this is totally a task oriented internship program. Okay, definitely we do have a one-to-one session for each and every people, whenever it's possible. Okay, to boost their confidence and tell about the current situation, how he is progressing, what is lacking and all those stuff. So we do expert session with one-to-one with them. Okay, and definitely end of this session and whole this program, we also do some kind of a mock interview, resume building, like LinkedIn profile making and all those stuff. So it definitely enhance your availability or visibility in the market. Okay, how you can do it and all those stuff. Okay, right, maybe creating a kind of a GitHub repo and all those stuff. So definitely we do all these activities in this particular workshop uh, with your whatever the intern or whatever the course you have already opted. So this is the additional things that we are doing. Okay, so now I'll come to the program. Basically, so we only perform right now 4 different programs because I have a good client base for those. Like जो भी ये program opt करेंगे, okay. So I have a client base of those particular people, and they can directly work on their projects. So what are the 4 programs specifically over here? So first 3 programs are specifically on no code low code platform. Okay, so I just wanted to know about no code or low code. Anyone have any idea about no code low code platform? Like maybe anyone have any idea about no code low code platform? Okay, you can see some names, but do you have any idea about this? Okay, so maybe as I know from the trend, okay, nobody knows about, they know only about Java, data science, Python, or maybe PHP, .NET, and all those stuff. Okay, but there are so many companies are investing their huge money in the no code platform. Okay, so those there are so many more low code platform, not only Google and Microsoft, but there are so every company is involving their presence in no code platform. In short, मिनिमम कोड से, मिनिमम चीज़ों से आप कोई भी एप्लीकेशन विदिन अ सेकंड बना सकते हो। ओके, सो दैट इज़ द बेसिक लॉजिक बिहाइंड नो कोड, लो कोड प्लेटफॉर्म। ओके, just you have to know the basic logic and basic web development understanding. So we offering this three program for low code or no code platform specifically. From Google is AppSheet, from Microsoft is a Power Platform and SharePoint, and Salesforce as a Salesforce developer. So these three particular programs are under no code low code platform. इस पर्टिकुलर टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए आप कोई भी कोडिंग बैकग्राउंड की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आपके पास कोई कोडिंग बैकग्राउंड है, इट ऑलवेज गुड टू हैव टू एनहांस, और कॉम्प्लेक्स टास्क के लिए तो आपको बहुत ही इनहांस हो जाएगा। It's good to have always, but we specifically, there is no need of any coding platform, okay, to do those particular activities. And the last one that we have a like big team, like around 10 to 15 people are working on the full stack development in .NET and API Angular as a coding. So for this you have need a prerequisite. You should know basic HTML and basic client side web development understanding. अगर आपको हो तो you can easily enroll in this particular program. So basically these four programs, we are actually running out. Why only these four program? I'll just repeat again because I have a projects on those particular four programs. Okay, so like if someone like, आपको आजकल बहुत बहुत लोगों को करना है पाइथन और मे बी डेटा साइंस और ऑल दो स्टफ, ओके, बट दोस पीपल, दोस थिंग्स और दोस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट्स और दोस असाइनमेंट ऑलवेज ऑन लाइक बिग शॉर्ट कंपनीज, ओके, बिकॉज दे आर वर्किंग ऑन डेटा। तो जब भी आपको डेटा के साथ काम करना है, डेटा साइंस के लिए और डेटा इंजीनियरिंग के लिए, यू नीड ह्यूज डेटा मीन्स नॉट ओनली इन 1 टेराबाइट, 10 टेराबाइट और 5 टेराबाइट, ओके, लाइक थाउजेंड्स ऑफ टेराबाइट। और तभी वो डेटा साइंस, डेटा एक्टिविटी, डेटा इंजीनियरिंग पॉसिबल है, ओके। And those lies only with the big short companies, okay, so that's why internship in data science or data engineering, or if someone is giving you, okay, please cross check twice thrice with them, okay, because end of the day you need to do work with the data, and if you don't have a data, अगर आपके पास डेटा ही उतना नहीं, तो डेटा साइंस और डेटा इंजीनियरिंग के एस्पेक्ट्स और चीजें सीख के आपको इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट जाएगा, ओके। सो do think about those stuff before thinking about data science and data engineering as a platform, okay. So those are the four internship programs we have giving you, and this is the additional bonus actually that even if we join any internship program here, this is the additional bonus that we actually giving you. Like we'll tell you about AI fundamentals, okay, like this PPT. If you see some pictures in that PPT, really good pictures in that PPT, okay, I'll create it from the AI, okay, सारी ये pictures AI से created है, okay. I'll just talk about GitHub, we'll talk about Agile and Scrum fundamental. ये सब सबसे लैकिंग होता है क्योंकि कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट अगर कभी भी आप करते हो, किसी भी कंपनी में जाते हो, तो यू शुड नो व्हाट इज अ स्क्रम, व्हाट इज अजाइल मेथोडोलॉजी, okay. So these fundamentals we completed and will give you proper certification for those, for everything, okay. Understanding domain hosted deployment, हम डेवलपमेंट करते हैं बट डिप्लॉयमेंट के बारे में कोई बात ही नहीं करता, देयर इज अ ह्यूज डिप्लॉयमेंट साइकिल। आजकल उसका नया टर्म है, मे बी यू ऑलरेडी हर्ड, इज कॉल्ड डेवऑप्स। डेवऑप्स आपने सुना होगा, इट्स कॉल्ड अ डिप्लॉयमेंट, ओके। So one of the part of the DevOps is the deployment. So that we also do take care of. We'll definitely talk about some cloud fundamentals: Google Cloud, Azure Cloud, Microsoft Azure Cloud, and AWS Cloud. Okay, cross session access. Maybe like if you're joining for Salesforce, right? But you really wanted to do some kind of app sheet activity, or wanted to know about what is the .NET is right now going on, all the stuff. So we have some cross skilling activities, cross session access, okay. So you can easily go and access the particular stuff and videos and maybe say live sessions, okay. uh, basically everything is on LB. Most of the things on LB app. We have Android and web app. Okay, you can easily access that app from the Android Play Store and from the web, also from the website, where you will get all access of the content, task. You can submit the task. You can do some test, and like so many stuff. You can find it out, and some most of the free things also. Definitely I will add some how to do the resume building, LinkedIn profile, and all those stuff, okay. And one of the important thing that I really wanted to enhance here my voice also, regarding to what, like, हम आपको सिखाएंगे सीखते कैसे हैं, ओके। सो मे बी फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर सेशन और फ्रॉम दिस इंटर्नशिप यू विल गेट टू नो कि सीखते कैसे हैं, ओके। so many resources now. Okay, दो चीजें रहती है कि बहुत minimum information और एक over information. Right now we have really over information and we don't know how to do and what to do. Okay, so actually we teach you how to do anything or how to learn anything. Okay, so in your that definitely those sessions will definitely help you to boost your career in any places or any particular phase. Okay, so those are the additional stuff that we wanted to do. And I just wanted to summarize with this important things. Okay, what exactly mean of internship here is, so actually internship and training program that we are all talking about here is, so we providing 3 months training program and 6 month internship as in this particular whole program. Okay, so this is purely a task oriented learning program, as I told you. Okay, in the we will provide you app, as I told, and it will give you all tasks and everything, videos and blogs and all online content, whatever in the market, good content in the market is available. Will make sure that it is available for you, and we'll also create our own content to share with you. Okay, be noted here that we will have 2 days in a week a live session. Okay, live session will not be like every day, because the consultant that we have it for this particular internship, they already are working in a particular different companies on their big particular positions. Okay, so definitely they come to us and give the live sessions weekly, twice. Okay, and everything is going to be on app. Okay, definitely we will assign you a proper mentor for every particular session, for a group, so you can always connect with them and get things resolved. Okay, uh, one of the important thing, this is we are not providing any job guarantee. Okay, we help you to give your career boost and like ready to get a really good job. Okay, so we are not that company that tell you, okay, आप टेंशन मत लो, आपको जॉब मिल जाएगा. Okay, we are not in that particular, we are uh, very transparent. Okay, if you're really good in your task, if you really do the stuff what exactly we are looking for, definitely we will help you to get this thing done. Okay, and definitely you'll get some offer later, your completion later, and all those stuff. Okay, uh, so this is the additional stuff I can say. Okay, so what exactly you have to do, the next step of action over here. Okay, if you really wanted to go with the internship program, so just go to the LBE site. As an internship, you can go to the internship, so you can find out there are 4 different programs in our internship program. So as I told you, there are 4 different programs we have available. You can just to know, like if you wanted to select a program called Salesforce, then click on the Salesforce, and then you can enroll this program. So you'll get this screen, and this is the fees that we are actually asking for this training and internship program. Okay, as it involved internship, as it involved training, a dedicated training from the experts. Okay, definitely training also convene, वो ट्रेन कोई ट्रेन आपको पर्सन ट्रेन करेगा तो वो आपका टाइम स्पेंड करेगा, एंड लाइक होल प्रोसेस इज बिहाइंड इट. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव fees for this. It's not a free internship for sure. Okay, so you have fees for like for every, if you select any part, you will have 9,000 as a fees. But if you select or maybe because of this session I have some kind of a coupons available, so you can just apply the coupons and you have only get this particular internship in the 7,000. Okay, but this particular coupon is only applicable for next 2 days. Okay, second thing, if you really don't want to give like if you really wanted to go with the installment basis, so we have also option for installment basis. Okay, where the coupon code will not work, but like you'll get some installations, installments. Okay, and then like starting installment will be the 2,000 rupees. Before getting into it, you can just go to the content, and there is a free content I have shared with you. So like you just open that particular free content as a PDF, and you'll get to know what exactly we are doing. Well, everything I have written here, like what will happen in the internship, what exactly the syllabus that we are talking about, what exactly things, what is the task we are adding over here. So I have shared everything information. Before enrolling, you can easily check it out. So I'll just go to the like maybe I'll just repeat once again for this, like go to the internship or maybe learn by program, online program, then select your desired internship, then you can enroll it. This page will open. If you really wanted to use coupon, then you can use coupon. If you don't want to use coupon, then you have installments, okay, starting from the 2000 rupees. If What exactly that internship contains, so you can just go to the folder, and you can see this is about Power Platform, and everything is over. And what you can do actually, so you can copy this particular bold word, okay, and just paste in Google and try to find out, okay, what exactly this technology is. So आपको उसमें internship करना है नहीं करना है, you can also choose about that, okay. So uh, so this is the stuff, and this is the offer that we are actually planning it. Additionally, this particular group that maybe you join from from the WhatsApp group, okay. Additionally, from day to day basis, from continuous basis, we are also posting good informative information, okay, that will help you to boost your career, okay, even if you join internship or not, but it definitely help you or boost your career over there, okay. So we'll share all this information also, I'll share within the group, okay. So let me know if you have any concerns, any questions, so we can I can go with those particular concerns and questions. Anyone have any concerns, please do let me know.